while business services are those services which are needed to run a business in a smooth manner. They are known as business services, like banking, transportation, warehousing. They all are the services provided by the business persons in a business. That's why they are known as the business services. Services are intangible. They are not seen, but they are feel. So we start the next topic, meaning of business services. Service sector industries, commercial firms engaged in banking, communication, transportation, insurance, warehousing, and all, so many other things they are involved as providing the services. In the recent past, the role of service sector in Indian economy is growing faster than agriculture and industries. The service sector constitutes the basic infrastructure which is must for smooth flow of business activities. While means the business services are flow in a proper manner or a smooth manner, so the banking, insurance, transportation, they all are the services which are boost up the business to run in a smooth manner. So this is the meaning of the business services. The next is characteristics of business services. There are several characteristics and features of business services. The first is intangible. Services are intangible. They are not seen, but they are feel. Like when we are sick, we go to the doctor and doctor provide the medicine and the other things. So they provide the services to the customers or a patient. Like the same, while we go to cinema, in a cinema hall, they provide the services to provide the facility that is not being that they are not being seen, but they are they are providing the good services to provide the good sound, to provide the infrastructure and other things. So these are the services which are intangible. Services are intangible. These cannot be seen or touched. We can only feel services, or one can only experience them. We cannot find out the quality of service before taking it. While we are taking the services, after that we see what the quality of services there. One can find out the quality only after experience it. While we are taking the experience of the services, after that we tell services are good or not. So they are intangible. After taking the services, we feel that they are good or bad. The next is lack of homogeneity or inconsistency. It means they are differ from person to person. While a same person provide the different services, while the same person provide the same services to the number of peoples, every time there is some inconsistency in it. They are different from person to person, place to place, and time to time. The same person can provide the same services in a different manner in different places. So service have to be performed each time according to the demand and expectation of each customer. Same service may be provided differently by different service provider. For example, the bank service provided by the nationalized bank and private bank are different. You feel while you go to these places and to take the services. So the same banking facility, but the inconsistency in their services. We only feel the inconsistency in their services. So they are not same in everywhere. The next point is inventory loss. This loss is to be defined as while we go to the cinema hall and the show is started and the seats are vacant, these seats are the losses. These vacant seats are the losses in the business. So the loss of the inventory is there. In the next show, they are not be recovered. So on that time and that show, that vacant seats are to be providing a loss. The main feature of services in these services are consumed by the same time when they are produced. So there is no need to maintain inventory or stock of services. If services is not consumed immediately, then it is the total loss in the business. The next is non-transferability or inseparability. Then a person who provide the services, they are with the person, and different person, the inseparability is not there. The person and their services are on the same way. Person and their services are not be separable to each other. So the services cannot be separated from the provider of service. These are produced and consumed at the same place only. The next is consumers' participation or involvement. While the experience or service, the participation of the customers is essential. Without the customers' participation, they are not feel how the services are to be there. So the customer participation is very essential to know the services that is involved in the business.